Hey everyone, today we are going to bake another recipe with red lentil, that is bagel, and it's gluten free and full of fiber and it has protein as well. I made some sandwiches out of it, and one sandwich I made for my son's tiffin box. This video may be quite little big, but I want to show you all the steps so that you can make perfect bagel for your family. So let's start making it. First of all, add 2 cups of red lentil in a big bowl, and then you have to wash it 2 to 3 times. Here I have washed it 3 times because when you bake it, after that you will get some smell if you don't wash it properly. You have to wash it till you get clear water. Now add some water in the lentil, and then you have to cover it and soak it for at least 4 hours, or overnight you can soak it. After soaking, you'll see it became soft. Now we will blend it in a blender. So you have to just strain water from it. That's how I'm doing here. Add some water in it so it will be easy for you to blend it. Now you can see its texture. We will pour this in a big container. Now let's prepare next batch. Now add psyllium husk in it. So 8 tablespoons I'm adding here. Psyllium husk is full of fiber. Add half cup of curd, and it should be at room temperature. Time to add olive oil in it, and 4 tablespoons you have to use here. Add salt, 1 teaspoon, and blend it. Now pour this in the container. Add 1 teaspoon of baking powder, half teaspoon baking soda. Now squeeze lime juice, and 1 lime I have used here. Now mix all together so that you will get proper batter, or you can say dough, for making your bagel. While you are mixing it, it will turn into solid dough. So it will be easy for you to make the balls out of it. Just wet your hand and take good amount of it, and now start making ball. So this work you have to do with gentle hands. Don't press the dough. Now dip the pipe in the water and start giving all of them the shape of bagel. Sprinkle seeds of your choice. Here I have used pumpkin seeds and white sesame seeds. It's baking time. Let's bake them at 350 Fahrenheit for 35 minutes and let them sit inside the oven for 10 minutes after switching off your oven. That's how we made today gluten free and full of protein bagels. I hope you enjoyed the recipe. You can see I made the sandwich out of it. Bye bye.